Hello, it's Monday, April 30, 2012, and I'm Tony Christopher with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. Wall Street closed the trading week in the green as the Nasdaq rose by 0.62%, closing at 3069.20. The Dow Jones added 0.18% to its value, closing at 13228.30. The S&P closed positive, strengthened by 0.24%, closing at 1403.36 points. U.S. stocks rallied, driving the Standard & Poor's 500 index to its best weekly gain since March as earnings from Apple and Amazon to AT&T beat forecasts. In commodities, gold rose by 0.40%, closing at $16.62 an ounce. Crude oil rose by 0.90%, closing at $104.70 a barrel. The U.S. dollar fell versus most of the majors after a report showed the U.S. economy grew less than forecast in the first quarter. The U.S. advanced GDP rose by 2.20% versus 2.60% forecast. Today, personal spending is expected to grow by 0.30% versus 0.80% previously, and Chicago PMI is expected with 60.90 versus 62.20 previously. The euro-dollar pair is keeping a positive momentum, trading above the support level of 1.3170. The RSI is around 58, meaning that it is still on an uptrend. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 1.3156 and with a high of 1.3269. Today, German retail sales are expected to grow by 0.80% versus minus 1.10% previously, and CPI flash estimate is expected to grow by 2.50% versus 2.60% previously. The British pound strengthened for a second week versus the dollar on speculation the central bank will pause its stimulus program even after the nation slipped back into recession. The pound dollar remains bullish at 1.6270 if it maintains its support level of 1.6180, and it may test its strong resistance level again of 1.6280. The Australian and US dollar pair at 1.0450 will continue to be bullish if it maintains its support level of 1.0380. Tomorrow, the Reserve Bank of Australia is expected to lower its interest rate by 0.25% from 4.25% to 4.0%. Well, that's it for today. I'm Tony Christopher for the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets.